Welcome to Interspace, a revolutionary social distancing app focused on informing users on population density at any location. Let's get started. So, it's been 3 months and counting since I've been stuck at home. I don't want to go to an overcrowded beach and risk my family's health. There's no safe way for me to know that a place is not going to be filled with people.
An app that logs everywhere you go is somewhat generic and unrealistic. That's why our major selling point here at Interspace is that our data isn't from the user. It's from the 3.8 billion active social media users who already publicly tag their locations.
Social media is one of the most powerful modern tools. With a massive amount of data that has already been created and is publicly available, we can ensure the safety of people all around the world.
For starters, the user needs to download the app. That's all we need the user to truly do. Statistically, users are more likely to want to use an app like this because they get the information they need fast. Then they enter their location, and based on the population density we report back, they decide whether to go or not.
Let's get more specific to prove how feasible this idea really is. Interspace takes in a location entered by the user, references posts, check-ins, and so on from social media within the last 30 minutes, and then draws up an estimate of what is safe.
Here we have the introduction screen, which asks the user for their desired location. Now behind the scenes, we are calculating the density using the social media APIs and providing a color distribution of red, yellow, and green to signify the high, moderate, and low population densities respectively. From here, the user can decide whether or not to go. If they choose to go, we provide a checklist of items to bring along for safety precautions. Upon their arrival, the user can check in to keep our population data accurate. If they choose not to go, the application offers alternative virtual reality experiences. Overall, the user-friendly interface of Interspace helps make traveling safe and easy.
Interspace uses Facebook's location API in order to access the location of users based on their posts.
From a SnapMap API, we would use the function getPlaylist, which takes in a value for longitude, latitude, a radius, and a zoom level. The most important element would be the snap's timestamp, and if the timestamp is from less than 30 minutes before the user used the app, Interspace will include it in its total count of people in that specific location.
Instagram uses the location tag and taken at timestamp. We can analyze and collect data from users on our desired location and time.
Regarding our competition, Interspace is most comparable to Snapchat's feature Snap Maps, in which you can see where your friends are. What makes us different is that we extend outside of the people you follow and show a live update of people all around the globe.
Now, let's discuss competitive advantage. Interspace does not rely solely on our users for data. We use a much larger database through social media APIs to generate statistics, giving us information based on a significantly larger group, not just our exclusive users. This is important because it means that Interspace is usable to even our very first users. Thank you for listening to our pitch. We are so excited to see what the future of Interspace holds.